So I'll be showing you how to enable or disable battery saver on your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro. Simply go to settings. Under settings, go to battery, tap on that, and then under battery you should see battery saver. Now by default it's off, but you can enable battery saver by turning on that toggle button. Now battery saver of course says limits visual effects and background activity like app updates, turns on dark theme if not already on. Okay, so that's basically the standard battery saver. If you want an extreme battery saver, it says it includes all changes listed above, this one's here, and also pauses non-essential apps and their notifications. So if you want an extreme battery saver, you can enable that. And as you can see, the phone is still usable even though it's in dark mode. Most of the apps are grayed out, and it's only gonna leave the most essential applications, which is the phone, app, settings, Play Store, the clock. That's it. Okay, so everything else is disabled. Now obviously you can always go back and turn that back to standard battery saver, or you can turn off battery saver completely using the toggle button. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.